Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a powerful AI tool from Google that helps you design websites and apps with just a simple prompt. Without wasting any time, let's get right into it. Open your browser and head over to this website. Click on Try Now. You can go with standard or experimental mode. With standard mode, you can export the designs to Figma, but experimental mode is more powerful. Start typing the prompt to get your designs. You can select mobile or web. Click on Generate Designs. It will suggest the screens that are needed for your app. Let's make them all. As you can see here, the design looks amazing. You can also ask for the dark mode theme for the same design. And there you have it. You can go with the suggested reply to make it better. If you want any adjustment on any of these screens, you can simply select the screen and ask the AI to make changes. You can view the HTML code of the selected screen. But the Figma is not available as we selected experimental mode earlier. However, you can copy the complete code. You can also download the image and code to your computer system. You can also make multiple variants of the same screen and choose the one you like. You can also adjust the color theme according to your requirements. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.